Okay, this is an A.O. Smith instant hot water gas tankless water heater. This is for the warranty repair to take pictures of the exchanger. I'm going to turn the gas off. Water's already turned off here and here, and I turned it off here. I've released the pressure already, and I'm going to unplug the water heater. So everything is off. As you can see, I've already got the front panel off. There's 4 screws here, 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 and here. Front panel comes off. So that's where I'm at. It's a tight space in here in this closet. This comes off, just lifts off. It's got a hook here and a hook right here, and it just lifts off of there. Your heat exchanger that the warranty wants the pictures of is right in here. So in order to get to that, we've unplugged that, turn this off. This has to come off, this comes off, and these unplug. So we'll unplug. It's yellow. I've already taken pictures of this, so I know how it goes back together. Just want to be careful with all these. I have found that these 2 orange ones come down and this green one comes here. We're trying to get right here. They all connect to this plug, and I think that just unplugging this will be easier than undoing all of those. I can just get that out of my way. Undo that screw there. Already losing parts. Bucket here. Just gonna pull that up out of the way. My water is dripping from the bottom of the fan blower at the 6 o'clock position of the fan blower only when the water heater is running. It does not drip all the time. It's only when it's running, and it drips. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. It drips from right at the bottom of that fan blower. Let me get a flashlight so you can see that. I don't know if you can see that water dropping right back in there at the bottom of the fan blower. It was dropping about 1 drop of water about every 30 seconds. Sorry about the camera, not a professional cameraman. But get this out of the way. course someone would be calling me right now. Screws are okay. So there's a clip right there, and then this whole thing come down and out of the way. These two are connected with this screw here. Just let those be for just a minute. Actually, undo this black clip. White clip. Really need my flathead screwdriver. Nice. Undo this little white, little red wire to get the white wire off of there. Okay. Now that that's out of the way, get that out of the way there. So, to get to the heat exchanger, I'm also going to take that off there. This purple is in that white one right there. Get that out of there. I sure get these wrapped up in here nicely. Okay, so you're going to take off the big screws on this to get to this area where the pictures are required. You want to be very careful not to break this connection here. That's your igniter for your burner. There is a little screw right there at the bottom of this that you gotta get undone. magnetic tipped screwdrivers help in this process. So oh, forgot the main one. Let's see. Should come off of there. I can get that out of the way. Let's see. I'm missing any. Oh, there we go. You just gotta get it, move it up. There we go. It goes up. Alright, that opens up to your exchanger. Set that right there. So the pictures they're looking for are right up in here. The problem is, to get to those, there are 2 screws in there. I don't know if you can see those. Let me get a light. Those 2 screws right there and right there have to come out. And then this will come out of here. And the sorry, I didn't mean to flip you guys off. The pictures are right up in there. So those 2 screws got to come out. Put this back on. Those require a fairly long screwdriver. Let's see if I can get them with this one. Being a little difficult. It doesn't help that I can't see in there. Let's see. So once you get that loosened, it's loosened, but it's stuck in the sheet metal. I'm having a hard time getting it out of there. There we go. Okay. Again, having a magnetic screwdriver sure is nice. Pulling these little sheet metal screws out of here. Okay. So now gotta get this out of there. I don't believe that those two screws have to come off. But just to be on the safe side, let's take them off. What's two more screws? Oh, I guess these are just holding this little front bracket. I didn't know that was two pieces. Okay. Wow, that is gross. That's what I like to do if I have a piece like that. Put the screws in where they go. Set that off to the side. Okay. Now, let's see. Well, okay, I forgot. I'm pretty sure this top portion's got to come off. Now I'm going to have to pause the video for a second. Okay, back here. Battery may die on this thing, but I had to get a different pair of pliers, which kind of just Starting to come out. Maybe that screwdriver or that screw there may need to come out. Let's try that. See if that solves the problem. There we go. Alright. So, that just slides out of there. They can get pretty corroded and get real stuck. So, once that slides out of there, that is your burner. And the picture you're looking for, oh, that is gross, and right there, and that's where the water is dripping from, and that's the picture that A.O. Smith wants for the warranty.